Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for employers: how to handle payroll for your employees. Whether you're running a small business or managing a growing team, payroll is something you simply can't afford to get wrong. Let's break it down step by step so you can confidently manage payroll and avoid any headaches with HMRC. First and foremost, why is payroll so important? Well, it's not just about paying your employees on time, it's also about staying compliant with UK laws and ensuring that taxes, national insurance, and pensions are handled correctly. Getting payroll wrong can lead to fines, upset employees, and even damage to your business's reputation. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Register as an employer with HMRC. You'll need to do this before you hire your first employee. Once you're registered, HMRC will give you a PAYE reference number. You'll use this system to handle income tax and national insurance deductions. Next, you'll need reliable payroll software. This is a game changer. It simplifies everything, from calculating salaries to filing reports with HMRC. Many options even handle pension contributions automatically. Make sure the software is RTI compliant. That stands for real-time information. This ensures that your payroll data is submitted to HMRC accurately and on time every time. Now it's time to calculate pay and deductions. For each employee, you'll need to Once you've calculated everything, it's time to submit payroll information to HMRC. You'll do this using your payroll software under the RTI system. Make sure this is done on or before payday to avoid penalties. Finally, it's payday. Transfer the net pay to your employees' accounts. It's also a good practice to provide pay slips that clearly outline deductions and contributions. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips. Stay organized. Keep track of deadlines for payments and submissions. Know your obligations. If you have employees earning over £10,000 a year, you'll need to enroll them in a workplace pension scheme. Seek help if needed. If payroll feels overwhelming, consider outsourcing to a professional payroll service. That's where we can help. And there you have it, Payroll Simplified. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more practical business tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.